Para las fotos.
Quadirikiri. A la cabeza.
Want to see that? What the heck's the back gonna do? I mean, that'd be very rare. No, it's bathroom. Right.
Uy, sí, sí, hay harto murciélago.
Okay, exactly.
¿Tienes luz en el celular?
Dice que no, que está prohibido. Ah, por allá.
Aquí no se ve nada. Thanks.
That's why we have a lot of cats all around here. So it's a show, if we lose these population of bats here in the island, in as much as a century, we could lose at least the minimum 50% of all cats. Wow. They're more important than I should give them credit for. Yes, stand over here for me real quick. This, of course, is a mouse. These caves are still active. New stalactites and stalagmites are already formed. Stalactites come in all different shapes and sizes, like this face right there. You have to look carefully to see a profile of the face. Oh, yes. Facing up.
Oh, okay.
Yeah. Wow.
Is this like
some people like to call it the lazy room. Okay. Yes, do you have questions?
Might some types which was up and which was down, I never.
Tights hold tight to the top.
Oh, okay.
Stalagmites might reach the top.
Okay, all right.
And
Yeah, later.
two months ago, a geologist came in here on vacation, and he gave me a nerve.
¿Esa sigue hasta acá?
Sí.
Pero sí puedes prender la luz de tu celular.
No, pero dijeron que no, porque los bats.
Fotos sin flash. Ah, bueno.
That's the reason.
Vamos a ver si el guía prende.
That's the blonde. No, that's the blonde. That's the back left over.
Oh, is it?
Oh, yeah.
That's the natural fertilizer.
Yes,
Good stuff.
good stuff. But no, no joints in here.
Oh.
Want you guys to stay on this side.
Yeah.
This side we have a bunch of pieces of broken stalactites and stalagmites, which people like to trip on, so.
Okay.
Here's the next part you gotta watch out for, there's a little dip right there. You're not prepared for it, so take a trip. They left you behind.
Yeah, they did. Actually, I'm on some,
Oh!
so I'm just exploring
Can I
around.
ask?
Yeah, they look, yeah.
That's very
Or it's like a mountains. Yeah.
Give it a link.
Now, if you even think the region I come there, it does not like it.
Ja, tuurlijk, tuurlijk. Kijk, geniet ervan. Hallo, hallo, ja. Now, remember, tip for next time you guys are in the park, pay for the AC. AC wouldn't hurt me, right? Now, this is the second chamber. This is my favorite because in here, if you know where to stand and where to take a picture, you've got the best picture spot around here. So, if you could borrow your phone real quick. Sure. I want you to just stand right there for me. I'm gonna take a quick picture. Oh, look, a little cactus. Cactus, that other plant you see up there that's pretty much buried. You don't wanna touch that one, the one on top.
Yeah.
Somebody broke off all the leaves, but that is a bringamosa. It's like a stinging nettle. You don't want to touch it. It has little spines that will stick into your skin. If you two stand right there for me next to that rock.
Yeah.
Yes. Three, two, one. Now, look into each other's eyes. Look each other in the eyes. 1, 2, 3. There we go. You see if you get the right angle.
Awesome. Let's see, I've got it.
You guys want one too?
You have your phone? Thank you.
Yeah, ven.
So this is from water?
This was all under the ocean, correct? This is all broken down dead coral, built up over millions of years. When it started coming out of the ocean, the waves crashed into it.
Gusto una foto.
3, 2, 1. Look into each other's eyes. 3, 2, 1. Now for the kiss. 3, 2, 1. There we go. Thank you. Right there.
Gusto una foto ahí.
Oh, thank you.
Oh, you have one?
Yes, of course.
Thanks.
Oh, wow.
Here's the picture guy.
Where? How do you see it?